Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy S23 FE video recording not working issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now open settings and in settings scroll down and open apps. Now in apps scroll down and open camera app. And in camera force stop the camera app, click on force stop and then click OK. Now open storage and in storage clear the camera data and cache memory. Now go back and open battery and device care and here scroll down and click on software update. Now here click on download and install and update your mobile software.